What is preventing you from doing YouTube? Is it fear that people will say bad things about you? Or is it that people judge you? Or what? What at all is preventing you? Girl, you gotta get up. Get up. There's something in you that you need to do. Okay? There is something in you. So you need to get up and shine. You need to get up and shine. Come on, start now. You have to start the YouTube. You have to start. You have a dream of becoming a YouTuber. Let the dream come to reality. You have to start now. Hi, besties. My name is Missy Grace, and you're welcome to this family. Yeah, I'm glad that you're part of this family. Do well to subscribe and like this video. So in today's video, I'll be talking about what at all is preventing people from starting a YouTube channel and how to overcome it, okay? First on the list is lack of confidence. See, one thing about confidence is that if you don't put yourself out there for whatever skills, whatever thing that is in you to come out, you will never be confident. You have to understand that being a YouTuber is a process. It is actually a process. Not confident enough, you wouldn't know what is in you. First of all, talking into a camera is not easy at all. Like, it's not easy, but it is something that you need to learn. Okay, have this assurance in you that when you start, it will come by itself. Yeah, so the second point, content ideas. One thing about content ideas, as for this, you will decide what you want to go in for. You have to get a YouTube book, like, and write down the ideas. Write down the ideas. It will come by itself. Okay, you got no worries. Perfectionism, like, I want to do this. I don't have this. I don't have camera. I don't have this. Enough of the excuses. Enough. I don't have this. I don't have that. I don't have camera. I don't have a tripod. I don't have... Girl, bro, this is what is preventing you from doing YouTube. Because even YouTubers, they themselves, they expect you to, start with what you have. I remember when I was starting, I went to the website, YouTube, and then I read, and then I came across something like, use what you have. I was like, wow, man, I should use what I have. Meanwhile, I don't have anything. I only have my phone, you get it? So the thing about YouTube is that they don't want you to be perfect. Okay, well, if you have the money to buy it, you can go for it. Well, you can go for it. But then, if you don't really have all the resources, you can try with what you have. Use your phone. As I'm talking to you right now, I'm using my phone, and there's nothing wrong with that. Girl, there's nothing wrong with that. So you have to start. Well, maybe you might say, okay, but you want me to start, but I don't have a tripod. There's something called sacrifice. You have to sacrifice. Even if you don't have, you have to sacrifice for it. But then, if you don't have tripod, you can put your book there and then put your phone closer to it. Yeah, as I said, no one cares. The fourth point is fear of making mistakes. Oh my God. Fear of making mistakes? That you get a bad comment about your video? These comments are meant for you to grow. And if you want to be a successful YouTuber, then expect all these things. The community that I have right now is quite small. I have like 1.7k subscribers. But so far, I've not really gotten a bad comment though. I think I had one, yeah. I think I posted my my second video when I started, and someone was like, what is this? What is this? So these are comments that will actually let you go. If you're not willing to grow, then my dear, then that means that YouTube is not for you. If you're not ready to receive hate comments or whatever, YouTube is not for you. Like, I'm telling you the truth. As I said, for me, I've not really received a hate. So that comment, what is it alone, actually drained me. Like, what is it? What is it? Like, let's say I'm talking to you and then I tell you that, what is this? What is this? Like, how will you feel? So it's normal. And then from that time up to this time, like, oh, come on. Right now, someone can even tell me nasty things on under my video. I mean, I don't care. After you don't know me, I don't know it. So have this mentality, like, because you don't know me, I don't know you. Yes. Yeah. I said, if you start, you will know what to do. When I started, I didn't know what is CapCut. I didn't know what editing to whatever. I didn't know all these things. But as soon as I started, I was like, oh, okay, so this is CapCut, this is that. And still I'm learning. My editing is not really perfect, but I'm still learning and I'm not giving up. This is what you gotta do. Start. As I always say, start. Like, start. If I think that, oh, this girl, she wants me to start because for her, she has all the resources. No, I don't have. I'm using my phone. And time management. We are all busy. If this is the only excuse that you have, we are all busy, girl. Don't use this as an excuse. Other than that, you don't do anything. No, you not do anything. Like, because if you have the dream of becoming a YouTuber, then you need to sacrifice, because a lot of things goes into YouTube. Trust me, a lot of things. So if you are not ready, then that means you are busy. Of course, because we are all busy, but still we try as much as possible to create content. So if you can't tell me that you are busy and still you have a dream of becoming a YouTuber, girl, you are not busy. You gotta sit down. You are not busy at all. You gotta sit down and find something else to do. Yeah. You're afraid that you can't speak English. I mean, you can't speak English. So the videos that you've been watching, they speak English. And your grammar is not Grammarly. Like the grammar is not really Grammarly. So so you don't want to start. Let me tell you. Then, girl, this is a good news for you. Like, right now there are apps, AI tools, whatever, that even YouTube, like if you upload your video, there is something called subtitles. So when you look at it, you can change the language. I mean, you can even speak in your local language, and then you let AI to translate your language for you. As simple as that. So if this is the only excuse that you have, then you have to start. You have to start, because this is not this is not an excuse. This is not an excuse totally. Like, it is not an excuse. You gotta get up and take a move. And I hope these videos that I've shared with you has actually quickened you for you to start. You have to start. You have to start. Enough of the excuses. Enough. You have to start. So if this video was helpful, do what to like and share this video to a greater number of people that you know, so that they can support this channel and keep it growing. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye.